Hey, Dewey McDonald here from Guarantee RV. We're going to go inside and check out this brand new 2138 RSSA DRV Mobile Suite. So it's one of our top of the lines. Let's go inside and check it all out. All right, we're inside this brand new DRV Mobile Suites, the 38 RSSA, and we've got little coming in the door. We've got on the right hand side, you've got some countertops right here with you've got the island in the middle with a double sink. You've got your residential refrigerator freezer. You've got a lot of storage right in front of the door, drawers, the big closet space, big storage space above the refrigerator there, and then on the sink here you've got the 3-burner glass oven, the new big counter here with the soft door closes, that no slam doors. You got a convection microwave. You've got big storage above there. You've got around here and then the front you've got the TV, big screen TV with the fireplace, little electric fireplace. Inside the island you've got storage obviously, and then you got the dishwasher. You got the couch with the recliners across from the TV. You've got day and night shades. They got the roller shades in them. Very nice. You got LED lights, ceiling fan. You got lots of storage above, overhead. You got 2 table and chairs that pulls out. You got the table that pulls out. There's 2 more chairs under the bed in the front. So lots of lighting, lots of storage. This particular model, they're beautiful. And then you go up the stairs. You got your shower on the left with the full shower in the bathroom. You've got the washer and dryer hookups there on this particular model. And then you walk into the bedroom. You've got a king bed with the cedar lined closet in the front. You got the dresser in front of the bed. You got a king size bed with the dresser and a TV across from you. So lots of storage, lots of room under the bed storage. And then you got this on the exterior. From here you go to the exterior part, and then DRV they do pretty much everything's top of the line. Thicker walls, thicker insulation. They have residential plumbing, water filter system. These are prepped for a generator. You've got, they call it partial body paint. So the slide outs, when the slides are in, it's full body paint, but they don't do this paint on the sides of the slides anymore. So they call it partial paint, but it's beautiful. I mean, these coaches are our top of the line fifth wheels. So full-time RV living, they're guaranteed. I mean, these are awesome units. We sell these. They got like different models available. We actually carry the bigger ones now. The Houstons and the bigger models, even the toy hauler versions. Hey, thanks again, Dewey McDonald here. So if you're interested in looking at our toy haulers also, DRV makes one. We sell fifth wheels, we sell campers, anything on our lots. I can help you to take care of that for you. So come see me, Dewey McDonald, Guarantee RV.